Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code VDK. So once again, I warmly welcome to all of you. So in previous video, we have already done the discussion about the introduction of the Python, history of the programming languages, right? And we discussed the interpreters and compilers. We stop it here, right? And today's session we are going to discuss about what is a program. It is like a basic sequence of Python statement that is executed to do particular task. Even one line can be programmed in Python. Like Python script will have like .py extension, like java.java, javascript.js, html.html. So each programming languages have own file extension, like hello.py. Here you can see it is a Python script file. The Python languages acts as a intermediaries between the users and the programmer. So building blocks of a program. These are the some of the concepts patterns that are used to like construct a program, like input output. So input will come from the user typing data on the keyboard. Output display the results of the program on the screen on the store them in the file. So obviously once we are given inputs, we are given through the keyboard. Right set of the instruction we are given through the keyboard as an input. Sequential execution perform a statement one after another in the order in which they are like encountered in the script. Conditional execution, we are define the set of condition, check for certain condition and then execute the skip or sequence of a statement. Repeated execution, perform some set of statement rapidly, usually with some variations. Reuse, write a set of instruction once, then reuse those instructions in the program. So reuse means same program you can use more than one time. That is like a function in Python. Function once you define one, you can use multiple time in a program. So that is for reusability, like inheritance as well. So you can see is executed program statement line by lines, like I told you previous, like an interpreter and compiler. So interpreter execute a code line by line. So what is the answer, guys? The answer going to be interpreter, as you can see here. Next, what could possible to go in Python when programs become increasingly sophisticated? The following types of error can be occur, like syntax error, logic error, semantics error. Syntax error: a syntax error occur when grammar rules of the Pythons are violated. Like the following examples show the syntax error here. So as you can see, like paste or print rewrite permit. So as you can see, missing the parenthesis, invalid syntax. So I just make a screenshot here. So what could be possible go wrong? Logic error. A logic error is when program has good syntax, but there is a mistake in the order of the sequence statement. The following are some of the instances in which create a logic error, like using the wrong variable name. Suppose I declare variable name like a small letter, like a demo, and I just want to use like a small d. Okay, so variable name should be correct. Indentation, a block of wrong labels. Obviously indentation means you have to take care for the space. Using integer division instead of the floating division, so you have to take care of the data type as well. And making mistake of boolean expression. A boolean means true and false value. Semantics error. A semantics error is when the descriptions of steps to take is like syntactically perfect, but the program does not do what it was the intent to do. So in semantics errors are like syntactically going to be perfect. So here is also you have to take care for the block indentation means proper space management. Okay. So here is a errors is when your program has good syntax but there is a mistake in order of the statement, or perhaps a mistake is the how to statement related to the another logic. So just now I discussed with you guys. So what is the answer going to be? Here is going to be is a good syntax. So here you proceed for the logic error. So as you can see, logic error is going to be answer should be. So and this is summary of this chapter. It's like always remember guys, once you finish the chapter, so you have to go for your summary. Okay, so as you can see in this session you will learn writing program or programming is very creative and rewarding activity. You can write program for many reasons and ranging from making your living to solving difficult data analysis problem to having fun helping someone help solve the problem, right? So like in starting I told you, once you create a specific program, first of all you have to make algorithm that particular, like once you have a complication, that particular complicated problem we have to solve step by step. That is called an algorithm. Computer hardware architectures involves various components to execute and define the particular task. Every programming language has vocabulary and grammar. Interpreters execute code line by line, whereas compiler execute code as whole. Like I told you previous, so see, just get a quick summary in this. Programs is a set of instruction used to execute particular task. There are three types of errors: syntax, semantics, and logic errors. So this is all about a summary, guys. So you just get a quick summary, so you can just recall everything, whatever you did from beginning to end. So we done the first chapter. In next videos, we are going to start how to go for the practical. We are going to discuss in next session like what is data type, what is variable, what is operators. Once you've done the basic things, after then you can move for the programming well. So you understood the programming well. So we're going to see the next video. So that's it for today. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. Take care, everyone. Bye.